Today we're going to do an unboxing of MPC's 1967 Pontiac GTO. Here's this side of the box. Just looking for a date. Here's this side. Here's the bottom. Here's our chrome tree. Got our stock wheels, custom wheels, I kind of like those. Our bumpers, blower, headers, valve covers, center console. A little bit of flash, not terrible. I have heard stories about this kit though. Here's our red, our windshield. Here's our stock tires. Don't really have a brand name on them. Leave those in the bag. Here's our chassis. Looks like pretty simplified. Here's our interior tub. Looks like you must be able to put a roll cage in it if you want. Got the seat belts molded in the back seat, which is kind of cool. Here's our body. Must have been a screw bottom at one point. The body, it looks like it's in really good shape. Not warped or anything. We'll just put these together so we don't lose anything. Here's our two metal axles. Or one metal axle, it looks like. Here's our hood. Got the tack molded into it. Our springs or shocks. Here's our steering wheel. Looks like our pins for the front. I'm not sure what those are. Headrest, maybe. The rest of our rear end, our exhaust, dry shaft all molded in, our bucket seat. Quite a bit of flash on those. A lot of flash on this one. Here's our stock hood. Our firewall, our battery. These are the pins for the front wheels, I assume. Here's our custom bucket with the seat belts molded in. Our wheel backs. Our engine. Not a lot to the engine. And our roll bar. Here's our dashboard. Some nice little detail on there. Don't ask me why, but we got 3 instruction booklets. Here's the first one. We can build the engine stock or custom. Our wheels, our interior. Looks like we can build custom or stock. Our suspension, which is really simplified. Our grill inserts for the front and back. And then how it goes together. I think this is the exact same instruction booklet. I don't know why it came with 3 instructions. But there you go. Here's all 3. 1, 2, 3 instructions. That's kind of weird. Oh, I'm sorry. Here's number 4. And number 5. Oh, I see. They're all in different languages. There's an English. P1 I assume is maybe for Portugal. French. German. And the last one I assume is Italian for I. That's a lot of instruction booklets. Fuck, here's another one. I've never seen this many. Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 different instructions for this kit. That is nuts. Let's look at the decals real quick. Nothing real fancy with the decals. Some blue striping. And license plates. I don't usually use decals, but we'll see. Yeah, 6 instruction sheets. That's just mind-boggling. But yeah, this will be the next kit I start on. And it don't look like it's going to take me long to do it either, since it's such a simplified kit. It's only 4 trees. I do like this hood though. And why put these pin things on the back here when it's just going to get glued up there like that? Maybe at one time it was. I like that hood though, with the tack built into it. Definitely gotta do some sanding. Get this all back in the bag. So I'm ready to work on that. Tires, windows. Get our chrome back in the bag. Now I just want to check, because I've heard rumors that the grill does not fit very good on this car. Boy, it don't either. Boy, that's going to take some work. I'm going to have to glue it when I get ready to, and clamp it so it stays in place until it dries. Holy cow, that fit is terrible. Oh well, it'll be a challenge, but I'm up for it. Yeah, there we go. So, 1967 Pontiac GTO. Everybody have a great day. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. I will catch you guys in the next one when we start building this. Take care.